Right, so we've headed back to the new unit. Just finished putting the vice back together, all finished up. Did say to the customer would they like the handle straightening or anything like that, but they're happy with it like that. So it's all been cleaned up, all oiled, everything, all lovely. So that's ready to go. Still got the Corsa in here, as well as got the Fiesta in here now. So still plodding on. Bits and pieces. What else we got? What else we've got? Possibly one of our new sales lines. A load of 50 cal wartime links. I believe we've got some shells as well. Yeah. There we go. There you go. So yeah, all stamped up. Focus, there we go. So yeah, we've got all of those will be probably cleaned up or might sell a couple like that, but everything in that bag will be for sale. So if you're after some wartime 50 cal links or shells, give us a shout. I've got plenty of them. Then yeah, we've moved one of the starter motors out. We finished one of them. Still waiting on the gaskets for that pump. That's ready to go actually, the manifold. So if anyone wants to buy a GMC manifold, also for sale. So yeah, right, let's get back to the truck. Right, so it's been well, I'd say 2 or 3 days since I last done some recording, and as you can see, the truck's starting to look a bit finished. Don't get me wrong, it's nowhere near finished, but we are starting to put like the unit markings on. We've got the winch data plate, that's now on. I'm probably going to file these corners, just round them a bit. All the tools are back on, all secured, all good. So that's all that. All the panel work's all properly bolted in as well. We've got tyre pressure stencil, that's now on with the American spelling of tyre. Obviously in the cab, hasn't changed too much recently. We got one plate in, just need to put all the others in. I have also started cutting some of the new rubber lines for the windscreen wiper vacuum system. What else is there? I don't think there's much up the back. We've finished painting it. Other than that, that's mostly it. All of the headlights have been cleaned, all working, all good. The indicators, they've gone back on for the moment, but I would like to try and get a proper replacement. Well, not replacement, there's nothing wrong with those ones. I'd just like to get either some more authentic ones or get rid of them completely. So now we get to the difficult bit. Right. So in here we've been doing a lot of mechanical work recently. So I did put the new belt on, but that's now off, which we'll get to in a minute. But fuel pump all sorted. We've put the old one back on. I've swapped the parts over from the new one to the old one. One, because it's the original to the vehicle. Two, there was actually something wrong with the lever mechanism in the new one, so I'm either going to send it back or rebuild it and sell it on, basically. But to get to that pump, obviously we had to get the oil filter housing out of the way, because it was absolute nightmare. For those of you who watch previous videos will know we've had quite a few problems with this recently, and it's all because of that piece, that little connector there is the fuel line that runs up to the side of the carb. And once we'd finished doing all the fuel pump, we was getting ready for a test run and found it was leaking, as one of the corners was completely split. So we got a new one of those being made, but again, that's not a problem. And then obviously I've had a bit of help from me granddad and my dad recently, so a big thank you to them, just helping us progress this along. With the help of my granddad, we opened up the dizzy cap and cleaned all the points, adjusted them, set all the gaps properly, as they was miles out basically. So he just helped us with that little bit. Made sure it's all sparking properly, which it is, so we're happy with that. So yeah, hopefully it is just put that fuel pipe on and then she should fire up, hopefully. So that's all that. The fuel tank has now got its shipping details on. It's quite tidy. I have got one to go there to do with fuel expansion or something like that, but I can't remember why it hasn't gone on, but it's not on yet, so that'll go on at some point. We're gonna do the windscreen as well, but that'll be a later job once it's up and running. As although that one's not good because of a certain huge split, it's better than nothing. We've got so much on at the moment that we just got to prioritise things. So yeah, so sorry about the lack of footage, but we've just spent 3-4 days just basically getting this a bit more up together and starting to get ready to finish it off, as it's progressed nicely. Seeing as we only started it in September, it's been a good rebuild, and the truck looks a lot better for it. Just doing the finishing touches now, and then like I said, even when it's running over time, I'm going to go back and revisit things like all the chassis, leaf springs, all of that. We're going to decrust and wax oil, same with under the wings. So yeah, we just got to get it running, finish off some of the last major details, and then I think that will do her for the moment, ready for show season. Right, so I've just done a quick bit of spraying, a couple of other little jobs. So we've put the winterising stencil on. So the pressed stones basically just means it was winterised in 43. So that's on there, and then we also have the first bonnet serial on. So I've run out of masking tape, so I need to go and make a little trip to go and get some more so I can do the star, the serial on the other side, and all stuff like on the side of the cab, all that lot. But I have to say, after putting these on, it really is starting to come together now. Just these little details really just make the truck, it breaks all the green up, and yeah, that's quite nice. So thank you all for watching, and we will see you in the next video.